Hello. Today we will talk about one of the most difficult to film in detail common animals of Israel, the Egyptian fruit bat. The most species-rich mammalian order of Israel are Chiroptera, most of which are bats. In total, 33 species are found in Israel. Of these, the most recognizable is also the largest in Israel, most likely the most numerous and the only frugivorous species, the Egyptian fruit bat, Rousettus aegyptiacus. Another feature of the Egyptian fruit bats is that they are the only Israeli representative of the family of megabats, Pteropodida, which is distinguished from bats families that make up the rest of Chiroptera order. These are the largest Chiroptera, with their family including flying dogs and flying foxes. Unlike bats, megabats do not possess an echolocation skills, with the only exception of the Egyptian fruit bat that we see here, with a well-developed echolocation. Based on such features that distinguish megabats from the rest of the order, such as movable ribs, the claw phalanx of the second finger of the wing, slight changes in the cervical vertebra, and the absence of echolocation, megabats are often considered the most archaic or primitive, similar to the earliest Chiroptera that have not yet acquired advanced adaptations. So, for its echolocation, the Egyptian fruit bat may be considered the most advanced megabat. Although megabats rely on vision more than bats and are more tolerant to daylight, they continue to use echolocation simultaneously with vision. This is evidenced by their ears constantly spinning back and forth like radar antennas, as if scanning space. Professor Yossi Yovel's team at Tel Aviv University is studying the social behavior and communication of megabats, and these researchers are deciphering fruit bat language. Among other things, they found that fruit bat colonies speak significantly distinct local dialects of their common fruit bat language. In addition, they change their voice and manner of speaking when communicating with specific individuals, so perhaps their speech reflects their mood and personal attitudes. Fruit bats are found everywhere in Israel and are a synanthropic species, since in cities they find hiding places and food for themselves. Premises such as attics and underground garages make a good replacement of caves for them. Though for city dwellers this is not the most convenient neighborhood, since fruit bat feces can cover roads, benches, and cars parked in the open air with a thick layer of dirt. Their colonies, in which they hide during the daytime, can harbor many thousands of animals. In the 1950s, fruit bats were recognized as pests in Israel. After 1958, a campaign to exterminate them began, which almost achieved success, at the same time almost destroying many insectivores bats that live together with fruit bats. Fortunately, this campaign was cancelled before it was too late. Fruit bats already inhabited the country long before the emergence of large cities, while many other synanthropic animals of Israel are at the same time imported or invasive species, that is, they appeared here along with the newly arrived human population. Most of the Egyptian fruit bats' range is in Africa. An unexpected fact: Egyptian fruit bats are almost the only pollinator of baobab flowers. Fruit bats, whose flocks circle around trees where something tasty is ripe for them, echoing with loud chirps and squeaks, are an integral part of the portrait of Israel, its atmosphere and music.